The farm, strategically located in the southern part of Dowa District, spans 25 hectares, with a perimeter of 2.4 kilometers. This picturesque landscape offers immense potential for agricultural development. Analysis of the site's topography has been conducted to optimize farm design. This detailed review reveals the farm's highest and lowest geographic points, enabling the creation of a comprehensive plan for land utilization. From the analysis, these are natural waterways that traverse the farm, provide valuable resources for irrigation and ecosystem balance. Existing site structures, such as this road, will be integrated into the design to ensure seamless functionality. 0.8 hectares of land are dedicated to water passages. The 8-meter-wide road that crosses the farm covers approximately 0.4 hectares. The water passages will be lined with bamboo plantations, covering 0.5 hectares. The farm has allocated 0.5 hectares for horticultural crops production, with a focus on cinnamon, which will occupy 3.5 hectares. A total of 6.4 hectares have been designated for tamarind cultivation, while 2.8 hectares will be dedicated to apiculture and livestock production. These diverse land uses will foster a thriving ecosystem and promote biodiversity. Furthermore, 6 hectares have been allocated to field crops, providing a staple source of income. An additional 2.4 hectares will be planted with Glycidia, and 2.1 hectares will be reserved for essential farm structures. Here is the proposed design layout of the farm. The bamboos, if planted at 5 meters between rows and 5 meters along columns, it will have any approximate of 500 plants, which will be harvested in 3 to 5 years after planting, with an approximate average yield of 5 to 10 tons per year. If cinnamon will be planted at 5 meters between rows and 5 meters along columns, it will have a plant population of 1,400 plants. The harvesting will be within 2 to 3 years after planting, with an approximate yield of 7 to 14 tons per year. Wire will be constructed on 2 strategic locations along the water passage. If tamarind will be planted at 10 to 15 meters between rows and 10 to 15 meters along columns, it will achieve a plant population of 256 to 384 plants. Tamarind trees typically start producing within 3 to 5 years after planting. Yields for 6.4 hectares would be 32 to 64 tons per year. If Glycidia will be planted at 5 to 7 meters between rows and 5 to 7 meters along columns, it will have 480 to 720 plants. Glycidia trees typically start producing within 2 to 3 years after planting. The estimated yield for 2.4 hectares would be 4.8 to 9.6 tons per year.
Vivid. Make your dreams clear.